Imagine holding a device that doesn't just respond to your commands, but actually predicts them. Imagine a camera that physically squints to adjust to the light, just like a human eye. And imagine a battery that finally, after decades of waiting, actually lasts 2 full days of heavy use. Welcome to 2026. The smartphone world is currently standing on the edge of a cliff, and Apple is about to push the entire industry into a new era. We aren't just talking about another S year or a minor spec bump. We are talking about the iPhone 18 Pro Max. For months, the whispers out of Cupertino and the supply chain labs in Taiwan have been building into a roar. Today, we are tearing down every secret, every leaked 2nm schematic, and every impossible camera upgrade that Apple is packing into their 2026 flagship. If you've been feeling like smartphone innovation has hit a plateau, hold on to your seats, because the iPhone 18 Pro Max is about to prove that we haven't seen anything yet. Why is the 18 Pro Max causing more hype than any model since the iPhone X? It's because of the 2nm revolution. Inside the heart of this machine sits the A20 Pro chip. Now, for the average person, 2nm sounds like tech jargon, but for you, it means everything. This is the first time in history that a mobile processor has been shrunk to this level. We're talking about 12 billion more transistors than the previous generation, crammed into the same tiny space. This isn't just about opening Instagram faster. This is about local, on-device artificial intelligence that makes the current version of Siri look like a calculator. The A20 Pro is rumored to be the foundation for Apple Intelligence 2.0. A system that doesn't just process your voice, but anticipates your needs. This chip is built for 12 GB of RAM as the new baseline, allowing the 18 Pro Max to run massive language models entirely offline. No more waiting for the cloud. No more privacy concerns. Just pure, instant local power. But power is nothing without a screen that can display it. The leaks regarding the display of the 18 Pro Max are frankly staggering. While the 6.9-inch size is staying, the technology behind the glass is shifting to what insiders are calling LTPO+. Apple is reportedly targeting a record-breaking 3,000 nits of peak brightness. To put that in perspective, you could be standing in the middle of a desert at high noon, and the screen would still look as clear as a movie theater. But the real headline? The slimmed-down dynamic island. For the first time, Apple is rumored to be moving key Face ID components under the display. We are moving closer to that true all-screen dream. The pill-shaped cutout is shrinking, giving you more screen real estate than any Pro Max in history. And with a rumored 1 to 144 Hz variable refresh rate, the 18 Pro Max will be the smoothest feeling device on the planet, whether you're gaming at max settings or reading an ebook to save power. Let's talk about the cameras, because this is where Apple is truly flexing its muscles. For years, Android manufacturers have played with variable aperture, but Apple is reportedly perfecting it. The 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature a mechanical variable aperture on the main 48-megapixel sensor. Think about that. Just like a professional DSLR lens, the camera will physically open and close its iris between f/1.4 and f/2.8. This isn't software blur. This is real, hardware-level bokeh.